Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog in my garage. This is a 2006 Chevy 3500 Express. And we had it. Broke the handle off of this one. You can see it's screwed up. So I just went to Wilbert's, got me another one. The Expresses are pretty common, so I'm not going to have problems keeping parts. Here's a little screw right here that's going to go here. Get another one there. Big screws going up here. And then you got your cover piece that goes over the top of those. So that's all there is to it. They lock in. See these? So when you pry, you got to pry this off first, and then you'll go and do the second one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 when it comes to screws. Okay, all the screws are in. Feels pretty solid now. I'll take my cover and line those all up. See, this originally came from this because that's missing that. So you line these up like so. Alright, good as new, huh? Alright, that takes care of that. My next project is to replace that freaking glass back there. And this was the only, and the one I found was the only one that had tinted back windows. So I got lucky with that. So there we go. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, definitely share. And we'll catch you on the next Dana's Garage. And this was replacing the passenger side door handle.